Hi,
Thank you for
this
that.
is
Actually,
Sohail.
Hi, hello.
It does not exist.
Can I just add because it's very selfish of me to take all the credit for my transformation. I think my makeup artist Renuka Pillai, who did countless hours of tests on me, who we tried so many things, so many ways of bringing about this transformation. She worked for free just for the love of the movie and love of the works the challenge that there was there, and the kind of detail that God is in detail and kind of details she's done. I think it'd be very selfish of me to take all the credit for my presentation because she's really the person behind it, and to also tolerate my mood swings because I was always starving. So thank you very much, Renuka.
Hi, this is Sohail.
Sorry. Can we
Sohail
have
from
Subhash has done he has conceived the look of the film for the other characters, and Bhagyalakshmi worked with me. He's worked with me for years on hair. So yeah, we work together at every stage of the graying and all of that goes with the turf.
Yeah,
Aishwarya,
hi, this is
today we
Sohail
just-
from
Sorry.
Glamsham.
Sohail, 1 second. Can we have the last two questions from the media?
Yes, just,
the last two
Aishwarya,
questions.
today we're here for Sarabjit and Dalbir Kaur. We don't get to see you often, and the Panama Papers have been looming in the headlines. Do you have a clarification?
Excuse me.
Sarabjit.
Can we have your name, please?
Sarabjit.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, this is Sohail from Glamsham.
A statement has been made to all of you, so I'm sure y'all already are aware of that. Thank you.
Yeah, my question is to Aishwarya, Umang, Randeep, and all of them. Like, when the script had come to you, and when we saw the first poster, in fact, we had that kind of a feeling it's a powerful film. It will be getting lots of
We are glad. Thank you.
appraisal, applause, and definitely the awards also. Actually, so do you get that kind of a feeling when the film is being made, or after the look has come and people talking about it? एक feeling आती होगी definitely. Umang ji, to all of you.
I usually get petrified. I get scared when I get a script like this. I say, how the hell I'm going to do it? Today is the day everybody's going to find out I'm not a good actor.
And
So
after the film
that
is-
kind of fire in your ass, you work harder, bro.
Yeah, Ash, what's your take on this? Because when you read the script also right from the beginning, it's as you said,
Wish one could lean on those choice of words, but
You should.
I think we are just happy to get great scripts, wonderful films, and from therein, when you get a team like this to work with together, that's the fire that propels us. That's what keeps us excited and working as hard as we do, because we have genuinely really slogged I can't even say waking day, because there was hardly a sliver between the waking and the sleeping, because you're just going literally round the clock, immense pace. I still remember the first he said, "Ho payega, Umang? Are you serious?" We'll do it. It was happened all along, and only we know how we have all come together. And if there's anything that the entire team needs an applause from us to ourselves, let alone begging you all to do so, is for the way this film has been made. That is our victory. That's our joy. And just today, the expressions on all our faces, we could see ours, we could not see behind. We heard you all. But we're all like, once more. Because we are all so happy with what we've just had a glimpse of. It's all our efforts, we've worked really hard. That's our greatest award, and that's what's most exciting, to get that feeling at the end of every day of hard work and at the end of seeing the results of our efforts. That's the greatest award. Awards we graciously accept, we appreciate, we feel good for that minute. But it is the proof of the pudding. The film itself, our work and our efforts itself, that is our couple of months of effort. That's our life. We all are living our lives virtually through our work, our every day, and that's being documented in pieces of cinema. And that's what is the greatest award we can ask for, and that's what's most meaningful.
Sorry, sorry to break your dreams. This is going to be the last
Here,
question.
I have the mic.
Last question?
Hi,
Last
yeah.
question. Thank you.
Randeep, how did this preparation for the role, the solitary confinement, mood swings and all affect your personal relationships?
Everything thought I was an ass. Everybody thought I was an ass. Everybody around me had just had enough of me. I think it somewhere has affected me. I have to somewhere tell myself, there's a certain sense of gloom that has come about since this movie, and I have to keep telling myself, so that, look, you did not spend 22 years of your life in prison. You did not go through all that hardship. You did not go through solitary. There's something I have to keep reminding myself, and that has affected me, obviously. But so have other roles. So I hope, and they come out all at the wrong times.
Richa,
Jackie?
Richa, no.
Jackie over here.
I have a question for Richa.
Thank you.
You play his, here,
I
same
can't
word.
say, yes,
Yeah.
hi.
You play his wife.
Yes.
And I mean, he's someone you, he's someone you love in the movie. And then you say ki you leave the fighting for others and all you do is intezar. So how is this?
I don't
role-
think it's meant like that. I think that line is said in some kind of sarcasm, and when you see the film, you'll know the context of it. Because Dalbir's character is really militant in fighting for the brother, but someone takes charge at home, and that person happens to be me. And that's the context of the statement.
Thank you.
Jackie?
You should
Last question, please.
somewhere get to read the letters that Sarabjit wrote to his wife. They're so beautiful with Rajesh Khanna's songs and such his poetry, whichever he could, and how he longs for her. You should read those letters. That's really, really lovely.
They're really moving, actually.
Can we just have the last? This
Jackie,
is the last
it's
question.
It's referenced in the movie, so you'll get to see
Jackie
that.
over here.
You ask.
Who has the mic?
Over here, Jackie.
That's it. You're the one. You're the lucky girl. Okay.
This is
Jackie,
like
it's
a
nice to
classroom.
see you on stage in the capacity of a producer. Congratulations on your right. My question to you is, firstly, how have you been able to contribute to this creatively? And secondly, what does this mean for Jackie Bhagnani, the actor?
So as I said, that I know Umang sir for a really long time, and when this came to us, Pooja Films was the first one to come on board. And as Umang sir said that, as someone asked earlier, that what about commerce and stuff like that, and the way he narrated the film, I just thought that this story should be told, and every film cannot have me as an actor, or would want me as an actor, or I could fit in. But I thought that it's the right film to back, and this story must be told, and that's why I'm standing here.
Thank
you
so
very much. Now let's see the trailer once more.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Thank you. Trailer once more. Thank you.
Once
second,
before
one second.
this,
Ash won't
once before this. अभी बहुत functions में selfie वेल्फी सब करते हैं. I think I would like to request visually if all the members of the media here in the foreground can just stand up, turn around, and since y'all are filming, can we give a round of applause, a salute to Dalbir ji, Supreet ji, Swapan, Poonam, the entire family who have lived this life.
Baldev.
And we need to pay respects to them. So come on. Come on, help us. Come on, stand up. Turn around. They are watching, not photographers for a change. Turn कीजिए. ये आपके लिए. Everybody applaud them. God bless you.
Thank you so much, the media, and of course, everyone from the film Sarabjit. Can we please have the photo op, please? The media people, your coupons for food are outside, so please don't forget to pick them up, put some food. Thank you so much.